Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Please, your name?
My name is Alex Benson.
Okay. Please, what do you do?
I'm a transport driver.
Okay. I heard that there is an increment of transport fare that will take effect from today. How do you think about it as a driver?
We are under a union, so we cannot take any decision without union, unless the union give that instruction before you can.
So does it mean that they started collecting the new fare, or they are not?
No, they are not collecting the new fare.
What is the reason behind not collecting the new fare? Is it because the union has not finished the discussing with the authorities, or you yourself you think that nowadays things are not good, so you've decided not to collect it?
Like I said earlier, we are not a union, so we are any decision we will take. That's how we also will follow.
Okay.
So I don't have nothing to say about the increments or not.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much, sir.